This is Chapter 4, Section 3, Problem 9. 0 to 1, the area under F plus the area under G. Area under F, it's 1 wide, 2 high, so the rectangle will be 2, so this is 1. And 0 to 1, radius 1, this is going to be pi over 4. So from 0 to 1 for the 2 added is 1 plus pi over 4. What if we go from 1 to 4? Well, that's a half. This is negative 1/2 to there. This is negative 2. This is negative 1. So these cancel, and I get negative 3 for the area, and I got to double that, so I get negative 6. And G is pi over 4, and this will cancel. No, that's not quite true. Okay, so we have this goes up 1, 2, 3, so this is at 1/3. 1/3 times 1/2 is 1/6. And this is 2/3 times 2, which is 4/3, and half is 2/3, so it's plus 2/3. And this is 2 radius of 2, so the area of the full circle is 4 pi, and so this is pi. So the area under this one is negative 6, and then we got to subtract 3 times pi minus pi over 4 is 3 pi over 4. This and this are both in pi, and then we got minus 1/6 plus 4/6, so that's plus 3/6. So we got to take 3 times this and subtract it from that. But here's an exact value you can do. That's 3/6 is 1/2. And 3 times 1/2 is 3/2, and you can figure out what that is if you want to simplify it. Not necessary. Find the exact value of the average of G minus F on 0 to 4. So G's area from 0 to 4, and this last one, this should have been just pi. I put in the pi over 4. We should have just done this, this, and this, because it says 1 to 4. So this should have been 1/4. Messed that up. Okay, looking back at this. This is 0 to 4. So the area under G is pi over 4 minus 1/6 plus 2/3 plus pi, minus the area under F, which is going to be 1 1/2 minus 3 1/2 minus 1. No, minus 3 1/2. That's all of it. 1 1/2 minus 3 1/2. That's the total area. So the average value is going to be that divided by the width of the interval, which is 4. So that simplified and not gone to decimals will be the exact average value. And for what constant C does the following equation hold? So the area from 0 to 4 is of plus would be this minus those plus that minus that plus these. You get the total area, 0 to 4. And if you divide it by 0 to 4, you'd have the average value. So that value would be the C that you would use so that you get the same total area if you just went straight across. So again, that would be the area of F, 1.5, those cancel, so it's minus 2. That's the area under F, plus the area under G, which is minus 1/6 plus 2/3 is 1/2, and 1/2, and this would be plus 3 pi over 4. That's under G from 0 to 4, and that divided by 4 gives you the average value, the value that you would have to stay at, so that if you multiplied it by 4, you would get the area under the curve. Okay? So there you go.